Are you in real estate looking to make the move onto YouTube? Well, some of the questions that you might have are, is it worth it? And what's in it for me? So today we'll look at all the different ways that real estate agents can make money on YouTube. Let's begin. Hey, time it. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. How many YouTube subscribers do you have on YouTube right now? Let me know in the comment section down below. The first way to make money on YouTube is the one that most people gravitate towards, which is YouTube Adsense. When you think of YouTube Adsense, and while it's extremely popular, we actually won't be focusing on this aspect of a monetization strategy in this particular video. And the reason for that is because not everyone wants to monetize directly from here, because you do require 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 of watch hours before you can actually qualify to be a monetized channel. And even after monetization, you're not guaranteed money. It takes a good amount of views to make a substantial amount of money, and that's not an easy feat. As an example, I have a relatively small YouTube channel with an insanely high CPM. And in the past 6 months, if I average those together, I'm making about $600 strictly from YouTube AdSense. But I've been uploading daily for the past 4 months. And I'm not complaining about that. I'm super appreciative that this is even a thing, that YouTube would actually pay people to upload their content as it gets views. And I share those numbers to be transparent with you, because if you go into YouTube thinking that the YouTube AdSense income is gonna surpass all your other revenue streams, it's gonna be difficult. So I want you to go in with your eyes wide open. And now on to the second income stream, which is actually the primary way that real estate agents will make money from YouTube, is by offering their services. By promoting themselves as real estate agents, both in an organic and paid sense, real estate agents will generate real estate leads from either home buyers or home sellers. In other words, people looking to buy and people looking to sell. Organically, real estate agents can upload videos providing value to the audience, and in those videos, they'll have a call to action from that audience so they can obtain their information. And from a paid strategy, real estate agents can upload one video and advertise it on other people's channels. Use it as a commercial for their services. In other words, generate real estate leads that way without having to upload consistently and maintain their YouTube channel every single day, week, or month. So this isn't YouTube itself paying real estate agents directly. It's real estate agents using YouTube as a marketing platform to distribute their message and their services. Some of the best real estate agents on YouTube to model in the organic sense are Karin, Carr, and Vidana. And I'll be sure to link their channels down below so you have a resource on how real estate agents are using the platform to generate leads organically. Now, those two creators operate more of a direct-to-consumer marketing strategy. They're putting out content that home buyers and home sellers will watch and take action upon. But another strategy is by putting out content and go for the referrals, because remember, as a real estate agent, you can get paid on referrals. So some of the best real estate agents to model the referral aspect of it are Luna G, Loida Velasquez, and Brian Casella. They provide value to other real estate agents, and just by the content itself, other real estate agents remember that Luna is in Philadelphia and Loida and Brian are over in Los Angeles. So there's that referral partner organically. Now, the third way that real estate agents can monetize YouTube is through affiliate sales. This is the path of least resistance when you're looking for a secondary income source through YouTube. With affiliate sales, you partner yourself with either a product or a service provider and gain a commission every time a customer is gained through your efforts. Now, commission depends on the product and service. However, you can expect several percentage points all the way up to 60% commission depending on the product that you're repping. One quick favor before continuing, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. Also, don't forget to check out my free courses link in description. And one of the most common affiliate programs that you're going to find most real estate agents take advantage of are the Amazon affiliate links. An agent can become an affiliate for Amazon, and whenever they promote a book, a product, whatever Amazon chooses to sell, if they use their Amazon link, then whenever somebody goes on to their videos and watches whatever's being promoted or shouted out by that particular agent creator on YouTube, and they click on that link, then whenever you purchase on Amazon, they get a referral commission. So they get an affiliate commission. So in other words, you become a digital salesperson and you're using your platform to generate passive income. As an example, I have several affiliate links down below. And I do call out that they are affiliate links. So if I'm ever talking about a certain CRM or a landing page generator or whatever product that I personally use, and I do have that call to action of be sure to check out the link down below because you're gonna have a discount, then by you clicking on that link, and if you become a subscriber or a client, then I would receive a commission. And the fourth way that real estate agents can make money on YouTube is by selling a product. And some of the most common products that are sold online are online courses. Now you can choose to sell either B2B or B2C. So on B2B, you're selling to other businesses, and B2C, you're selling to the public. Now some of the best examples of this are Meet Kevin and Stephan. Both of them are real estate agents that started as real estate agents and migrated over to the online space, and at this point, their online efforts are far exceeding their real estate sales. And not only are they generating a ton of money from YouTube AdSense, but they are also monetizing from the sales of courses. Meet Kevin has several products or several courses that he links down in his YouTube descriptions. He has a property management course, a course for real estate agents, and a course for investors. And Stephan has a course for YouTubers and one for real estate agents as well. So in their cases, they're taking real estate information that most real estate agents should know and are communicating that message to the general public. And they're able to monetize their information because they've garnered a ton of trust from the public based off of the videos that they make every single week. Now, another way that real estate agents can make money on YouTube is through video sponsors. To have video sponsors, you do need to have a larger following, so this isn't attainable for most creators. But as you start growing, brands will start reaching out to you and either offer you free products so you can review them in your videos, or they'll start giving you money for paid shoutouts. And paid shoutouts or sponsorships can vary from a couple of bucks into thousands per video. Brands are finding such value with creators and that connection that they have with their audiences that they're willing to spend big bucks in order to tap into it. Now, another way that real estate agents can make money on YouTube is through Super Chat, which is a tool that is not available to everyone. You do have to have a certain amount of subscribers before that's a feature that gets activated on your channel. Larger channels go live and enable their Super Chat, which allows people to donate money to the creators. Now, viewers can donate money either to support or to ask a question of that video creator, and in return, the video creator will occasionally read off the comment or acknowledge that the viewer has commented. And I believe that all the money that is acquired through Super Chat has 30% going to YouTube itself and 70% going to the creator. And on top of that, larger channels can turn on their channel memberships. With channel memberships, the audience has the option of supporting the creator by becoming a channel member. So the channel member pays $5 to be part of the channel, and in return, the creator offers some sort of bonus as an incentive. And then lastly, you have the selling of merchandise. You grow your channel large enough and people will want to buy your merchandise, whatever that is, whether that's a mug, whether that's a shirt, shorts, whatever you're offering that's branded to your brand, people will want to buy. And one of the best examples of this is the Lab Coat Agents. Nick and Tristan have created a brand, the Lab Coat Agents, and now they're able to sell merchandise, they're able to sell events, so live events that other real estate agents can come to. So they've created a brand And whenever they upload a video, they're able to sell different aspects of their business. Whether that's coaching, merchandise, live events, they have a way to monetize their brand. Now, these are all tangible and measurable benefits to a certain extent. We haven't touched on the intangible benefits of YouTube. And that's the fact, by being on YouTube, you build your brand, you establish authority and credibility, and you open yourself up to future business opportunities. These are all the different ways that real estate agents can make money on YouTube. Now, if you want the behind the scenes on how much this channel is making on Adsense, then I invite you to check out the YouTube income report. It's gonna have every single dime that this channel has made. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe so we can talk again soon.